the most heavily armed tree trimming in history. In 1976, the US launched one of the weirdest military operations ever, to cut down a tree. A poplar tree in the Korean DMZ was blocking the view between UN checkpoints. When US soldiers tried to trim it, North Korean troops attacked with axes, killing 2. The US responded with Operation Paul Bunyan, sending dozens of troops, vehicles, and even B-52 bombers overhead, just to chop the tree down with chainsaws. The show of force worked, no shots were fired, and the tree came down. It's remembered as